When I got my WRX back in 2021, one of the first mods I did was swap out all the ugly yellow halogen bulbs in my interior, as well as the license plate light for a brighter white LED. I think it just gave the car a more modern and updated look that my 2021 WRX needed, and it's something I plan on doing for all of my future cars. I think the only bulb I am missing today is the one in the trunk light, which I will upgrade in the future. But with that said, today I'm continuing the trend by upgrading my headlights turn signal bulbs into LED as well. While these are still going to be the amber color, they should be still way more brighter than the OEM halogen ones. It will make my WRX more visible on the road and make it more safe. And before we get started with the video, a huge shout out to Last Fit for sending these over for me to try. And just to be fully transparent, while they did send me this, all of my thoughts and opinions are of my own, and they did not get to review this video beforehand or anything like that. Also, I just want to say it's really cool to see the channel starting to grow where companies are starting to want to work with me. So I really appreciate that, and more importantly, I appreciate you, the person watching this video. I cannot express it enough, so thank you, and thank you for all the support on the channel lately. Again, I appreciate it, so thank you. But anyways, let's get into today's install. Once I pop the hood, I just need to look for the turn signal bulb connection behind the headlight, which is this gray cap one, and it comes out pretty easy by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Now that I have it out, it is as simple as taking the old bulbs off and plugging the new LED ones. And once you have the new ones on, just do everything in reverse. So push it back in the counterclockwise position and then twist it back clockwise to lock it back in place. If yours did not turn on like mine did, all you need to do is just flip the bulb and plug it back in the other way, and it should work just fine like this. Here's the comparison between the OEM one on the left and the Last Fit one on the right. The LED is way brighter and also blinks instantly on and off as opposed to the halogen ones, which is a more slower and gradual on and off. Also, here's how the old and new ones look side by side, and another subtle detail that I do like about the new ones. Since it no longer has the amber glass, the reflective housing of the headlights is more white and clear looking now instead of being really orangey. Again, it's very subtle, but I do like the look of it. But now to finish this install, all we have to do is just do the same thing on the passenger side, and pretty simple and easy install. And I didn't realize how short this video was going to be until now that I'm editing it, so I do apologize for that. But it does go to show how easy this install really is. And dare I say, this is one of the few mods that nothing has gone wrong. I'm going to go ahead and show the before and after while I talk, but overall, I'm happy with the upgrade. I have actually been driving with these for a week now, and I actually do notice how much brighter they are. At night when I'm driving, I can see my own turn signal reflect off of highways more, as well as the road. And this is also another subtle thing, but I really like how the instant blinking on and off looks with the LEDs, especially when locking and unlocking the car. I don't know, it just feels automatic and clean. In general, I think LED bulbs are one of those small upgrades that when done all together and compounding, it can complete the build. It's just the small details that make the car overall way better. But anyways, I will keep you updated if these bulbs die on me or something like that. And while I'm not sponsored, if you are interested in the same bulbs, I do have a link and discount code in the description. And if you do make a purchase with that link, it does support the channel, so thank you, and I really appreciate it. Well, with that said, let me know in the comments what would you like to see next for the WRX. And while we're on the topic of headlights, I do want to say, I don't know if this is a hot take or not, but in my humble opinion, I think the 2018 to 2021 OEM LED headlights is one of the best headlights you can get on the market for the VA WRX. But also, with that said, I can make it even better by retrofitting them. So in the future, I do want to do that. And by retrofitting, can also make the sea lights and all that become turn signal as well. So I do plan on doing that in the future. But for now, I think this is a good upgrade for the turn signals. But anyways, again, I do apologize for the short video today, but I will be back with more soon and more longer videos. So stay tuned for that, and peace.